Hello dear subscribers, I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just Bluetooth not working on your iPhone, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, just go to the settings. In the settings, just open Bluetooth, just try to turn off, wait a few seconds and just turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after you can try to restore your phone, so just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power your phone again, so just simply restore your phone. And if it doesn't happen, if you still have the error, so just try to update your phone. So just go to the general, in the general just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.